Hello dear students. In this video let us see question number 7 of exercise 14.1. To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million, that is ppm, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. Concentration of SO2 in ppm is given as class intervals. Frequency for corresponding class intervals are given. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. I have written concentration and frequency as columns. Now first let us find class mark. This is frequency Fi. This is class mark Xi. Now the class mark is lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. Class mark is equal to lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. Here we have lower boundary 0.00 plus upper boundary 0.04 by 2. So we get 0.02. In another way, first we have to find class size. H is equal to 0.04 minus 0.00. That is 0.04. Then find half of the class size. Half of the class size is 0.04 by 2 is 0.02. Then class mark xi is equal to lower boundary plus half of class size. Here lower boundary is 0.00. Half of class size is 0.02. So we get 0.02. In a similar way, we can find class marks for various class intervals. So here it is 0.02. Here 0.04 plus 0.02 will get 0.06. Here 0.10. Here 0.14. Here 0.18. Here 0.22. By observing class intervals, we see that these two have higher frequencies. If we want to choose any assumed mean method, we can choose this one 0.10. We can choose 0.10 as assumed mean. Let us choose this is as a, this as a. So deviation di is equal to xi minus a. Here a is equal to 0.10. So here deviation we get it as minus 0.08. Here the deviation is minus 0.04. Here the deviation is 0. Here 0.04. Here 0.08. Here 0.12. Observing these deviations, we know that these are the multiples of 0.04. So let us take h as 0.04 here and find ui values. Ui is equal to di by h. Here we get minus 2, here minus 1, here 0, here positive 1, here 2, then 3. Now let us find the product Fi ui. 4 into minus 2, we get minus 8. 9 into minus 1, we get minus 9. 9 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 2 into 3 is 6. Here the sum of negative values is minus 17. Sum of positive values is 10 plus 6, 16. So here we get minus 1. Sum of Fi is minus 1. Here sum of frequencies, here it is already given in the question. There are 30 localities. Sum of frequencies is sigma Fi is equal to 30. Now we have to find the mean. Mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. Now let us substitute the values. A is 0.10 plus sigma Fi ui is minus 1 by sigma Fi is 30 into h value we have taken 0.04. So here 0.04. So we get this 0.04 into minus 1. We get minus 0.04 and it should be divided by 30. If we divide by 10, we get minus 0.004, then by 3. So we get here minus 0.001, then 3, 3, like that we'll get. So this is 0.10 minus 0.0013 approximately. Approximately this is equal to 0.099 ppm. Therefore, we have to write this one. Mean concentration of SO2 in the air. Thank you. See you in next video.